Hi, my name is Karla, co-founder of UpFront CPA. Do you want to know how we were able to save a client around $90,000 in taxes? It was actually quite simple. This is a client that runs a very profitable business. And when she opened her business, she decided to get a QuickBooks subscription and handle the accounting herself, and which is completely okay. But there was one major thing that she forgot to do when she set up her accounts, and that is that she forgot to connect the major credit card account that she uses to pay for most of her expenses. And therefore, at the end of the year, when she ran a profit and loss, her net income was quite high, and she just knew that there was something wrong. She decided to hire UpFront CPA to take a look at her QuickBooks subscription and to take a look at her transactions to make sure that everything was being done correctly. On our side, one of the first things that we noticed pretty quickly is that she was making major payments to a credit card, but the credit card was not connected into the system, and therefore she was not recording all of those expenses. So our advice to you is, if you are a small business owner and you decide to do the accounting yourself, always hire a professional just to give it a second look, just to make sure that things are being done correctly on the balance sheet and being recorded correctly on the balance sheet and on the profit and loss as well. Because to make sure that you have that net income correctly, it's a major thing, because that's going to impact your taxes. There's other things on the balance sheet as well that will impact your taxes, but make sure that you record all of the revenue correctly, but that you also record all of the expenses correctly. We were very happy that we were able to help this client save all that money in taxes as soon as we connected the bank account correctly, classified all those transactions correctly in the system. And then we had to go back, and once we did her tax returns one more time, we were able basically to save her over $90,000 in taxes that she was going to pay incorrectly to the IRS for simply not reporting her net income or her expenses correctly in the system. So UpFront CPA is here to help. Give us a call.